Well, we've been working hard on that bedroom addition. There's been several updates, but not one for a while. But this is the update I've been waiting to give you. Check this out. Let's start out with this vinyl tile flooring here. It's got a faux wood grain to it. There's a few minor things we haven't finished yet, like we wanted to put a piece of trim here, but I don't know. It kind of looks nice without the trim. I just wonder how it'll hold up. And that light switch there. Little things. But for all intents and purposes, this room is done. Got the barn door all attached. Still need to put the bumpers on it, but I'm going to do that after I take the door down and paint it. All that trim, the floor, the walls, around the windows, around the doors, every bit of it. We took rough cut red cedar, cut it, sanded it, stained it. Actually, I used shellac. Shellac makes that really look nice. I think that's probably one of the prettiest pieces of wood I've ever seen up there. I still have to take this door off and paint it. That'll happen when the weather breaks and it turns nice outside. Got the carpet put in a couple of days ago, and I wanted to get this video before we started moving into the room. I love the look of that cedar. It is gorgeous. You can see we're working on the roof outside over the patio down there. That's what we're doing today. Get some more done on that. Got the vents in. We don't have them hooked up yet. Thus the air conditioner in the window. And got the cedar wall out here in the bedroom. And another one in the closet. All rough cedar. We got one shelf put up. We figured we better fill that shelf up and then figure out what we need after that. But we know we need at least one hanging shelf. So there's that. I just wanted to give you guys a nice update. Show you the finished product before we move in, so you can really get a good look at it, see what it looks like. Like I said, a few minor things left to do. But 99% of the work is done on the inside of this room. And the bathroom is like 95% done. I would show you that, but it still needs to be cleaned. When we got ready to do the carpet in here, we took all of our tools and equipment and scrap wood and everything and put it in the bathroom. So that's coming down the road, the bathroom finished. So there we go. That's it. Still need a door for the basement. I don't know if you remember how the basement works, but got the ladder going down. I was going to put in stairs, but it would have been a much larger closet in the middle of the room. I didn't want to take up so much of my floor space with a hole going to the basement, so I made it small and steep. It's not like it's living quarters down there. It's storage and utilities in case of a tornado, that kind of thing. But that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed this. Look at that cedar. That cedar is beautiful. Really pretty. Wish I could find a way to keep that beautiful red color it has when you first cut it, but nothing seems to do that. Every time I look up a site on keeping the color of it, they always say, keep that natural color. And then they show pictures of it being this color. Anybody that's ever cut red cedar knows why they call it red cedar. Because inside it is a bright red. It's really pretty. But very little sunlight. It doesn't take much sunlight at all. And it turns this brown color, which is still beautiful. But I'd much rather have the red. That one up there is probably the closest I've come to keeping one red. That's because I put several coats of shellac on it and kept it in the dark. Now I put it up here, it'll probably start turning brown too. It's got some beautiful colors to it. Especially that one. I can't get over how beautiful that is. I saved that one. There's the other window here. Anyway, the construction updates haven't been the highlight of my channel. A few people watch them. Most people don't. But for those of you who do, I just wanted to show you what we've done here. Like I said, this was all rough cedar. Had to be milled, sanded, several coats of shellac put on it to get that color. But it sure was worth it. It's a unique bedroom. Ends up being 12 feet wide. And the bedroom part's about 20 feet long. The closet is 12 by 7. So you can see the fans. Found them in the bargain bin at the Lowe's. Opened them up, made sure they weren't broken or anything. They still need to be cleaned, obviously. But thanks a lot for watching. We could use one of these. And subscribe if you haven't. Thanks again.